Today, we're testing out a new adjustable rolling stand-up desk. Now, I love the idea of stand-up desks. There are just so many health benefits from using the standing feature just a few hours a day. Things like lower risk of weight gain, lower blood sugar levels, lower risk of heart disease, decrease in back pain, increase in your energy levels, and overall just help you live longer. That being said, I'm very excited today to try out a new stand-up desk. So let's dive into this adjustable stand-up desk. This desk comes with everything you need to assemble. Normally, I like to use my own tools, but this was easy enough that I could do most of it by hand. I didn't even need the manual. But then again, no man needs a manual until he needs a manual. With its all-steel construction and thick leg support, it is made to last. You can rest easy knowing that your desk will hold strong. This isn't some cheap pump from an office chair. It can actually support up to 176 pounds. This desk is large enough to comfortably use a laptop, mouse, and some accessories. It's also big enough to make a makeshift kiddie shelf. Measuring in at 28 by 18.19 inches, this makes the perfect little mobile work desk that you can tuck away when you're done using. The desk raises by simply pressing a lever right under the tabletop. It adjusts from 29.52 inches to 44.8 inches, so it should be suitable for most heights. I was comfortable using it and thought it felt pretty sturdy, especially when you lock the rolling wheels. Everything seems to grip pretty well, so I can definitely trust it to hold my laptop and my cats. If you work at a desk or use a laptop a lot and are looking for a change, or to improve your productivity and overall health, this mobile desk might just be perfect for you. If you'd like to check it out for yourself, a link can be found in the description below. Till next time, I'm gonna go help my cat reach some new heights. See ya.